Hello and welcome to GBS TV Home Shopping, where we bring you not only quality products but reputable brands as well. Victoria Mugambi is my name, and today I am joined by a lady with a lovely voice, and the voice just intimidates mine, and she is
Shiro right here. Oh, Vicky, you're looking great.
Thank you. You too.
Sorry about the cold.
I'm already well now that you've said it.
That's
well, you had that for yourself. Welcome once again, and it's our joy to take you through today's product. But before we get there, you need to know that our products are authentic and affordable because we have direct distribution right from the manufacturer. The trick here is call or text to place your order. Pay via M-Pesa or Equity Bank numbers on your screen, and it will be brought to wherever it is you are watching us from within 48 hours. Shiro, that is just definitely very cool.
Very cool indeed. You're just getting it 48 hours after payment.
At home.
Now, well, if you're the kind that will believe it when you see it, do not worry because you can just opt for cash on delivery. We also have free customer consulting service, so for any of your questions on today's show and any other item, you can as well find us at www.gbstvhomeshopping.com as you check out what's new and what's in stock. I believe you want to be stylish and sharp in design. Well, are you looking for a new and fashionable gadget and you still do not want to spend much because probably you are a student? Well, you are sorted with Samsung Galaxy Y Duos. Start your new smart life with Galaxy Y Duos for a young dynamic mobile user on the go. Do you want to stay in touch and connected 24/7? Then look no further. Samsung Galaxy Y Duos, which comes in a sleek shape and size. And with its well-rounded textured back right here, it's just enough for a good grip. All the bells and whistles for a dual SIM card Android-driven smartphone with exciting applications. And when it comes to connectivity, on board we have Bluetooth, Opera Mini, USB high-speed connectivity, PC synchronization, GPRS. Surely, what more can you guys ask for? Make every day a pleasure. And of course, we have a lot of other features that we are going to talk about. Now, talking about this phone, it's a smartphone, and especially with these Galaxy Y Duos, it is a touch screen, as you can see. It is a dual SIM card phone. Right here, we have SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. Oh, and what do we have right here? Guys, we have a mem card slot and a camera right here that we are going to talk about. It's a very nice phone, Vicky.
Smartphones have never gotten any smarter. Check out this unisex black color, and best for everybody and any dressing code. You can just see it for yourself. You will definitely agree with me. Shiro, have you ever seen a guy with a pink phone?
Oh, pink phone for a guy? That's awkward, Vicky.
Exactly. But with Galaxy Y Duos, you do not have to worry about awkwardness, as Shiro calls it right here, because it works for both official and casual occasions. And you're really on top, you know.
Uko juu tu sana. That's what Vicky wants to drive home.
Good stuff right over there. And there is more. It has a capacitive touchscreen with great response. And this is, again, what I'm saying. You can see, Shiro, as I go to the menu, I didn't press straight or press longer so they can respond to my touch. As I flip around the menu, it's really easy to flip around. I don't have to press again or twice or longer, you know. And you will always enjoy a friendly and unforgettable touch and visual experience. And the other fantastic feature I like about this Android phone is that it can only respond to a touch. So Shiro, with the long nails right over there, you cannot spoil or damage the screen that easily because you can see it responds with my touch. Try with your nails.
Let me see.
Yeah, it doesn't respond.
Very dormant. In fact, it doesn't respond.
It just looks at you as if you're... Well, anyway, moreover, Galaxy Y Duos has the most up-to-date Android operating system that provides a smoother user experience wrapped up by amazing mobile Google services and, of course, other web-based applications with real-life options in entertainment.
Now, GBS TV Home Shopping brings you a multitude of products at the most consumer-friendly price. We only deal with reputable and quality products, and we cannot compromise on that. Now, sometimes you may get busy and time to shop may slowly become unattainable. Now, that should not worry you, because this is our on-air shop just for you. Now, if you have any questions, if you have your phone with you, just call, send an SMS to place your order. You can pay via M-Pesa or Equity Bank account numbers right on your screen, and your item will be delivered to you in 48 hours after payment. Rush while stock lasts and get this most affordable, attractive phone right here. Now, remember that delivery is absolutely free of charge. Again, you can visit our website, and that is www.gbstvhomeshopping.com, and get much more. Vicky.
Well, did I mention the 3-megapixel camera? Talk about still or motion pictures. Capture every action, every emotion, and every unforgettable moment you spend with friends and family in the most fun way. This is what I'm saying. Right over here, it's a 3-megapixel camera. Not every day when you go shopping for a phone, you find a 3-megapixel camera at such a price that you find here.
Fantastic. Now, this is simply getting great. It's getting smarter and smarter. Now, powerful performance meets this stylish, compact design in the Galaxy Y Duos with 2 SIM cards. As Vicky said, you can separate your social life and your career life and still stay connected. If you like entertainment and spending a lot of time browsing and chatting like I do, and Vicky, I know you love browsing.
Spend the whole day, you know.
Well, now Galaxy Y Duos has a strong processor with faster downloading speed, Android Market, and Samsung applications. You have plenty of options to choose from.
Indeed, Shiro, that's definitely true, and it's evident that whether you're trying to keep yourself updated or you're just having an urge to share, or you just need to quickly check your messages in your Yahoo Mail or Gmail or Facebook, with this phone, you are sorted. Just check this out. Remember, it has a voice receptor. I just go to the Google bar right on top. It has a microphone kind of like sign, so you press that and say Facebook. And there we have it. We are on Facebook. So I go again, log in. I press that again, log in. And there we have it. And it gives me many options. I just go back, or you can just go back and press here. And it will give you options, Opera Mini or Internet. I choose Opera Mini. You see how Opera Mini works
Really
with this
fast
phone.
indeed.
Really fast, yeah.
You're getting something really cool. Not only that, it has an MP3 music player with a 3D sound technology pre-installed. And it's not only good for the MP3 music player, but also for the FM radio. Ooh la la, it's a wonderful experience you got to feel. Now, it's weird that a lot of people come to us asking why our prices are so affordable and customer friendly. They are worried that because of the price, the product may not be original and may be faulty. But that's not true. I'm here to assure you safe shopping. GBS TV Home Shopping has original products that are trustworthy, and we give you the right price. In case there is any problem with the product, your money is 100% refundable and returnable. So shop at GBS TV Home Shopping for safer and better shopping. So SMS, call and make your order now before we run out of stock. It will be delivered to you in 48 hours after payment. That's really cool.
Of course, Shiro, you just said it right. You can also pick your product at our collection point at Luna Park, next to the Railways Club. And while you're at it, you can as well check out other products that have aired before. Remember, our stock is limited, so hurry up before we run out of it. You can as well visit us at our website, www.gbstvhomeshopping.com, and make your orders online. It's fun, it's easy, it's convenient. Shiro, what is it again?
It's shopping the GBS TV Home Shopping way.
Well said.